Hi guys, so today the problem that we will be solving is reverse a linked list from Hackerrank, and this is what the question is. Given the pointer to the head node of a linked list, change the next pointers of the nodes so that their order is reversed. The head pointer given may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty. So let's look at an example first. Suppose the user gives the linked list as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and after that of course is null. So here our head is 10 and our tail is 14. Now in the linked list that we should be returning, after reversing it, the head should be 14 and the tail should be 10. That's when the list will be reversed. So let's get started with the solution. So in this we'll be taking three pointers: previous, current, and next. The previous pointer will be the same as where the head points. The current will store the address of the node the next to head or previous, and the next pointer will store the address of the node which is after current. So next, what we have to do, the next step will be to redirect this link. As you can see, this link has to be redirected to null. So this is what it will look like. The next step will be to redirect this link to previous. So this is what this will look like. 11. Now it seems like the linked list is broken, but that is not the case since we have stored the address in the next pointer. Now we have to shift the pointers one step ahead, where current becomes previous. So this will become previous, next will become current, and the node after current will be next. Now running the same process, we break this link again, we redirect this link to this one, and again we move one step forwards. This will be previous, this will be current, and this one will be next. The same process follows, and there will come a point when current will point to null. In that case, uh, if current comes here, this will be previous, and if this is previous, we should be returning this. As you can see in the returned linked list, 14 is our head. That is the tail, which was previously our tail, that has turned out to be our head. So similarly, as you can see, if current is equal to null, then this will be the last node will be our previous, and that has to be returned. So if this when this condition is satisfied, it will break out of the while loop that we'll be using, and we'll have to return previous. So our final linked list will look like 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and null. Of course, the direction does not matter, but this is what it will look like, and we will be returning this. So our linked list will be reversed. Now let's see how to code this problem. Now let's code the solution to this problem. So if head equals null, we'll simply return the head. Next, we'll be making a pointer called previous, which will be equal to head. Another pointer called current, which will have the address of the node after head. So this. Now we'll be redirecting the link to null. So head connects equals null. Now we come to the while loop. So while current is not equal to null, so we can simply write it as while current. In that case, there will be a pointer called next, which will have address of the node after current, like this. And again, we'll be redirecting the link. So current next equals previous. And then we hop one step forward for each pointer. So previous equals current and current equals next. Now we break out of this while loop when current equals null. So we simply write return previous. Now let's run the code. Okay. Now let's submit it. So all test cases are cleared. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you.